All right. Welcome back, traders. This is Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to another session. Today, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how I scalp the market using the RSI versus the moving average. So very easy strategy that I use here, and it make me over $100 every single day guarantee. So hopefully this will help you out. I'm going to be giving you every single settings that I use. So like that, you can go ahead and put it on your chart and start making money. Because here the market is so big and I should not be hiding everything. Everything should be out and giving it to you. So I'm exposing everything that the way how I collect those $100 every single day, scalping the market. You could do it in 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you want. So let's go to the chart. Let's make this simple. So let's start with all the settings that I have here. So the first thing that I have here, guys, is I added the parabolics. The settings that I have here on the parabolics is 0.001 and the maximum is 0.002. All you gotta do next is press OK. The next thing that I have here is three moving average. The first moving average that I have here is the 20 moving average. I have it as a simple. The color is lime. Press OK. The next one is the 50 moving average. Simple as again. The color is magenta. Press OK. And the third one is part of the multiple time frame system. That is the only thing that you are not going to have here. So the next thing that I'm going to be, the settings that I have here for the RSI is the following. So I have it on the 80 and the 25. So let me go ahead and click inside of the RSI so you can know. All right, so this is the levels that I have, guys. So all you got to do is click here, put 25, rename it overbought buy, 80, overbought sell, 50. That is my magic entry. Usually what I do here on the 50 level is either I take a break, I exit in there, and then if the movement is strong, then I continue in there. But that is my magic entry. So I'm gonna show you everything step by step. So I'm exposing everything so you guys can start making money today. All right, so first thing first is what I look here, guys, to be honest, is I always zoom out of the chart. So I look at the picture from far away because we need to know what's going on. First question that I ask myself is, Irvin, what is the market doing? Is the market doing a bullish or is it doing a bearish? First thing that I need to know. Second question that I need to know is, remember, guys, this is what I want you to, I'm gonna try to make this very easy and straightforward. So I don't want to spend a lot of time. So what I'm looking here is only for bullish market, because look here, the multiple time frame is letting us know, okay, Irvin, everything is bullish. So fine, so we need to look only for bullish entry. So if we're looking for these 4 hours at multiple time frame here, those 4 hours here will make you tons of money on the 5 minutes. So I will show you how do I do that. So now that we know where's the market heading, the second question we're gonna ask ourselves, remember, first question is, what is my master trend doing? Second question is, what is my brothers and sisters doing? And here it looks like it's doing a pullback. So this is a bad business. Remember, pullback is bad business. But I'm gonna show you on this one just for you to understand that bad business still works if you know what you're doing. So, and the third question we're gonna ask ourselves is, what is a real time multiple time frame 4 hours doing? So if you see it here, you barely see it, but it's there right now. To be honest, it's going with the trend. That's what we want. We want to trade only market going bullish. So that is good. So 2 out of 1 is still good confirmation. So the next thing you do, guys, is you zoom out back to normal and look at the candles. All right. So this is how I identify the entry. So I just look here for the 4 hours arrow. My magic entries, to be honest, is I always pay attention once the RSI hits the 80 or hit the 25 and everything, the magic arrow, the 4 hours is in the same location. That is a beast. That is money to be made in there. Pay attention in here. So in here, let me grab this one, this circle. So look at here. Brothers and sisters, pop in there. What we're looking for here is the 4 hours. Here's the 4 hours. 4 hours is showing us the market is in a downtrend. So all we got to do is look for the parabolics to go down as well. So it's 1, 2, and the third thing that we have to look here is for our RSI to hit our 80 line, which is the level. So that means we have an entry. All you got to do next is go to any lower time frame. You can, I use the 5 minutes, so we're gonna stick the 5 minutes, or either you can use the 1 minute, however you want. But let me go ahead and put a vertical line here, so you will know exactly where it is. All right, so now let's go to the 5 minutes so you can see exactly where it is, because the goal here is you identify exactly where your interest is located. All right, let's scroll and let's look at here. Perfect, guys. Look at this one. I'm telling you, this will make you tons of money. Look, we already identified what's going on there for hours, right? So we know what's going on. This is a pullback, fine. But look at here. It's tons of money to be made. Perfect hit. 4 hours per pen. You would enter, put a position in there, and look at that money. Boom, 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 boom. It dropped crazy. But the question is, where should I exit? This is what I always tell you. Have a goal, guys. I don't know how much money you want. Look, if you, let's say you scalp the market on this one and your goal is to make what? Let's say $25, $30. Grab your $25, $30 and walk away. Go look for another opportunity. If you stick to one position, things will go south. But that's what I do. But the next secret that I do, guys, is I just put the windows side by side. This is exactly what I do. Let me go ahead and delete this. All right. So even here on the 5 minute, if you pay attention here, as soon as it hit the 25, the market reverse. Look at here. It hit the 25. Let me go ahead and bring that arrow. Look at here. 25 in there. And the market shut off. Look at that. Parabolic is going on the same direction as bullish. And everything went bullish. Look at here. Let's say another one here. Look at here. Another one. It hit the 25 level. Parabolics turned bullish. And everything went bullish. You can get out on the next parabolic when the parabolics switch direction. Boom, bingo. That could be your support and resistance levels, and get out. It's that simple. Believe me, man, I'm making tons of money just doing this. It's very straightforward. Pay attention. This is a lot of money to be made. Look at here. Perfect entry would it be? Here's one going bullish. Here's another one here going bullish. Look at this one. It's bullish there. There's money there. That's what I'm saying. Don't stay on it for so long. Just grab your money and get out. Get out. Get out. Look at this drop here, which is happening here. You're not seeing him. Look, I'm gonna go there so you can see it. But look, so far you're not seeing what's going on here. But now let's scroll. Look at that money. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. It's money there, guys. Look at this huge money. Look. Another movement, right? Let me keep look at here. All right, so perfect. Look at this huge peak in here, enormous. So letting us know the market is gonna drop. So what are we looking for? We're looking for parabolics to go bearish, right? We're looking for the crossover to on the moving average. To be honest, the RSI is more effective than the moving average. But once the move, because I have it on the 20 and 50, so it's very late. You can use I think I know the trader use 8 and 13. So there's a lot of it, but this is the ones that I like, to be honest, because it read more the higher time frame. But what we're looking for here is market to be bearish. We're looking for the parabolics to tell us as well that it's bearish. Look at here, the peak tells us as well. Here on the RSI tells us the market is bearish. That's it. You scalp the market in there, grab to $30, $40, walk away. Easy, very simple to make $100 every single day. But this is the way how I do it. I love to put the window side by side. I love to use 4 hours on one side and the 5 minutes on the other one. So like that, I don't have to be switching all the time. Since I already know what's going on here, all I have to do is put it back to normal view, zoom it out, look at here. So you see all that bullish market, boom, boom, that huge momentum. Remember, the market here is bullish. Look at here, it's taking a break, boom, but over at the end of the day, market is bullish. If you pay attention here, look at here. This is what I love the 50 and 20, because on the larger time frame, the picture is a lot clean. So what we're looking here is those crossover. Look at here, 4 hours here is telling us, okay, we are in a bullish. Look at here, the parabolic is also letting us know the market is bullish. So now all you gotta do on the 5 minute, here's the 5 minute here. All you gotta do is look for entry and make the money. See, it's that simple. So look at here, all we're looking for the 4 hours, right? So let's go to the 4 hours here. So it's coming, you will see it. Oh, I think I passed it. Let me make it a little bit smaller so you can see it. Bear with me. Where is it? Bear with me. Bear with me. Right here. I passed it. I knew I passed it. Right here. All you gotta do is look at this. There's money here, guys. Look at here. Here's the 4 hours. Look at here. Parabolic is letting us know, hey, we are bullish too. Are you coming or not? Look. That was it. And then you hit that, boom, money there. All right, let's do one more example. I want to keep this very short and sweet. I know this is not gonna be for everyone, so bear with me. If this don't work with your rules, that's fine. But I just wanted to let you know how I scalp the market and make, you know, $200, $300, $500, $1,000 a day. Because I scalp the market, and I also like to enter on the market every Monday and exit every Friday. So I had 2 different ways to trade. So everyone is different. So maybe this one you will love it, because you're gonna be making the $100 every single day. So let's go ahead and bring up a different pair. Let's say we bring USD JPY, right? Or let's you know what? Let's do Euro USD. 4 hours. Let's click here. Oh, by the way, I totally forgot, guys, to let you know on the here on the alert, you can remove all the alerts that happens on the daily, weekly, and monthly, and only activate the one that is on the 4 hours. So like that, you will have only one indication when that is gonna pop in, okay? And then you will be like, okay, let me see what's going on. Or either you can have only the 4 hours and daily, and you can turn off the weekly and monthly, because anyway, you have to go and analyze the market. It's not like you're gonna take the trade without seeing what's going on. All right, so hopefully that helps. Make sure you can turn it off. All right, let's go ahead and put Euro USD. Same thing. Look at here, Euro USD is telling us there is a signal on the weekly, but we don't care. We don't want to read the weekly. We already know. Actually, in here, let's make this bigger and let's see what the market is doing here. The Euro USD, the market is giving us a bullish market. Why is giving us a bullish market? Because all the rules are met in here. This is not. This is already happened. So please don't look at this one. It already happened. So it came over. So in here, it did not give us any clean indication the market is exactly how it happens here. So the monthly is separately. Maybe on the month of October, it's gonna be nice and ready to go as a bearish. But at this point, the market is still bullish. So we're looking only for bullish position, right? Even bearish position can make you money, grab some pips, and walk away. Look at here again. Look here. The peak hit R80 RSI. Boom. Market drop. Look at that, brothers and sisters in here. Look at here. The peak hit the 25 RSI. Boom. Look at that. Market went bullish. We know it's bullish. Look at that. Since then, market's still bullish. Look at all that bullish. Boom, boom, boom. Momentum is huge, guys. Look at once it goes over the 50 RSI, that means the market is in a buy position. Look at all this movement here. Still bullish, 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 bullish. Crazy. You know, I know, everybody knows here, the market is still bullish. Look, it has not touched any R25 here. It came here and respected our rule. So this is super amazing. Super amazing. Look at this movement here. You barely see it here. It says it's a sell. Boom. Look at that, brothers and sisters. But we're looking for this guy here for the 4 hours alone. And the market pay us well. It's that simple. All right, so now that we know where we're heading to, so the next thing is we need to zoom out, right? Let's put our two windows side by side, because now that you know how to read the whole thing, now let's do one, let's just this one, and then we kind of cut off the video so you can review it as many times as you want. So now that we know where the market is heading, is bullish, we're looking only for bullish position. All right, so let me go ahead and click here. Look at here. This candle has not closed, so we're not looking for that candle. Look at here. Parabolic in 4 hours, and brothers and sisters is telling us, Irving, we are in a buy position. Fine. So here it is. One. That's one, right? Rule number one. Rule number two is the parabolic. Where is the parabolic heading? It's heading south. Look at here. It's coming and it broke our 50 RSI as well. That's one entry confirming the market is in a buy position. We know it's a buy position. Even though you would have had anything here as well. Look, it almost came and touched your 25. Boom, perfect. And this and 4 hours is more slow. If you go to any lower time frame, it will be hitting the 20 and 80 RSI for sure, because the this lower time frame has more momentum than the larger time frame. All right, so let me go back here and show you exactly how I do this, because I love this one. All right, so we're looking for this guy to be in a buy position. Let's go to the 5 minute and see if we find it. So look, okay, let me make this smaller. Oops, bear with me. Look at this movement. No, let's go in order. Let's look. Here it is. Look at here. See that? 4 hours in there. First thing is we're gonna ask ourselves is, look at the momentum. This is the momentum that I was telling you here on the 5 minutes. The 20 and the 80 hits more often than the 4 hours. So that's why I love to use the 5 minute. So first question is, Irving, is my 4 hours here? Yes. Let me do it differently. Let me put an arrow. So we ask ourselves, Irving, is the 4 hours there? Yes. Second question. Is the parabolic going in the same direction of the 4 hours? Yes. Well, you can ask yourself, is the moving average crossover already going bullish? Yes. Third question, is the RSI hit that 20 overbought area? Yes. So that means all your questions are okay. It match the 4 hours. All you do is take this trade here with confidence. Let me delete the arrow now. And remember, guys, always put your stop loss to give it 30-40 pips. And this one, you have to scalp the market and grab money and get out. Don't be greedy, because a lot of people love to be greedy and stay on it for so long. Now, where should you get out? You can get out on the next turnover of the parabolic. You can say, okay, Irving, I'm done. Thank you so much. I already make $30-40 in here. Done. I may enter going back in the same direction of the market, but when the parabolics switch direction, here's the money. But look at here, the MA is still in a buy position. So why will you get out? But that's one way. So it's how you want to do it. I just don't know. Look, the MA never change. It's still bullish, 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 bullish. Market go bullish, bullish. Now here we got the red arrow. Even the red arrow, even pullback, guys. Pullback is a beast, man. If you know how to do it. Look, first thing we ask on PV, right? But remember, PV is bad business. I always tell you guys. Here on the PV, I don't have no clean indication saying, okay, that's what I call the PV is bad business. But look at here. First question we ask ourselves is, what's going on the 4 hours? Is the 4 hours arrow pointing down? Yes, it has not closed, but it's there. Now, ask ourselves your question, is the parabolic going bearish? No, it's not. So this rule here is bad. I got no rules, so why would I be trading PV? I'm telling you, PB is bad business. Yeah, sure, here on the 5-minute, you will make money, but make sure everything line up going in the same direction that it is gonna be matching on the 5-minute. If it does not match, then you got no business to be in there. Okay, so hopefully that helps, guys. Like I said, always pay attention. Well, let me make this bigger and do it one more time slowly. First question you're gonna ask yourself is, what is my master trend doing? Zoom out, look, okay, master trend is bullish. So I'm looking only here for a buy position. So the question that you're gonna ask yourself, the next question is, okay, what is my brothers and sisters doing? Is the brothers and sisters still going bullish or is doing a pullback? So okay, it's going bullish. Third question is, what is my 4-hour arrow doing? So 4-hour arrow is also letting me know the market is in a buy position. And the last question here is the parabolic also going bullish? Yes, that's it. And then all you do next is you go to 5-minute and boom, money is on the 5-minute. How much pips you want to grab? How many? I just know, I got no idea, but this is the movement. Look at this crazy movement here. Boom. It's crazy, guys. I'm telling you, there's money to be made here. This is not hard. Look at that. Boom, money there. That's simple. Hopefully all that makes sense. But the overbought and oversold here on the 5-minute, it will make the picture is gonna be a lot clean. So you're gonna be making money here and there, but only trade going in the same direction of the trend. If the trend is bullish, only be bullish. If the trend is bearish, only be bearish. That's simple. Okay, let me know if you guys have any question, guys. I'm gonna be looking at the comments below. Unfortunately, I cannot do this live, but there it is. So I will not do any PDF on this one, nothing like that. So I'm just telling you how I do it, and you can add the same settings on your phone and everything, so like that everything will match. But my suggestion is don't trade on your phone. Your phone will blow your account. Okay, so that's all I have. I don't know if you guys have any question. Basically what we went over today is the RSI versus the moving average. Both are good, to be honest, but it's all depend on how you use it with rules. So this is using the 5 minutes, copying the market in 5 minutes, so you can make $100 a day. Okay, so let me know if you do have any other question. The link to join the multiple time frame is below. Come and join us. Let's make this money together. Let's go. So thank you, guys. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Take care, guys. Bye bye.